Good evening everyone. Today we will discuss a topic of 9th standard chapter number 14 rectilinear figure. In this chapter we will discuss about a quadrilateral means a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and trapezium. Okay, and what is rectilinear? Rectilinear means along a straight lines. Okay, in a straight line or forming a straight line. In this chapter we will discuss about number of types of polygon. First, if we have three-sided polygon, then this is a triangle. If we have total four-sided figure, closed figure, that is also a polygon, and this is a quadrilateral. If we have five-sided polygon, that is a pentagon. Okay, and six-sided polygon, hexagon, seven-sided heptagon, and eight-sided octagon, and so on. Okay, again we have two types of polygon: convex polygon and concave polygon. What is convex polygon? If each angle of a polygon is less than 180, angle, let x is the angle, and less than 180 each angle. Okay, each angle of a polygon less than 180, that is a convex polygon. What is concave? If at least कम से कम one angle equal to one angle greater than 180, कोई भी एक एंगल कैसा हो 180 से greater, उसको बोलेंगे concave polygon. Okay. Next we have an important result for sum of all angles. Okay, if we have n-sided polygon, there is n-sided, then sum of all interior angles equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is the result for sum of all interior angles. Okay, सभी interior angles के sum का result 2n minus 4 into 90 in degree, and sum of all exterior angle, जो exterior angle होंगे उनके सभी angles का sum हमारे पास क्या मिलता है 360 डिग्री. ओके, अगर हमारे पास एक इंटीरियर एंगल है तो हम सम को, और सारे एंगल आपस में इक्वल है तो हम उसको नंबर ऑफ साइड से डिवाइड कर देंगे. सेम अगर हमारे पास एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल है और सारी साइडें बराबर हैं तो हम उसको 360 बाय नंबर ऑफ साइड से डिवाइड कर देंगे, हमारा एक एंगल निकलेगा. ओके, एंड वी नो दैट सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर प्लस इंटीरियर, वन इंटीरियर एंगल प्लस एक्सटीरियर एंगल, सम ऑफ बोथ इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल और एक इंटीरियर एंगल्स दोनों का सम कैसा मिलेगा हमारा 180 डिग्री. अब हमारे पास कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है, वो क्या है? इरेगुलर polygon. What is a regular polygon? जब सारी की सारी साइड और all the angles are equal, then it is a regular polygon. All the side and all the angles of polygon are equal, it is a regular polygons. Regular polygons mean all side equal, all angles equal, all interior angle equal, and all exterior angle also equal. Okay, and sum of all the angle equal to, on this if we find one in regular polygon, if we find one angle, one interior angle, that is 2n minus 4 into 90, sum of interior angle and divided by n. n means number of side, जितनी साइड होंगी उतने हमारे पास एंगल होंगे, तो हमारे पास एक इंटीरियर एंगल आएगा किसमें? रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन्स में. फिर हमारी रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन्स में वन एक्सटीरियर एंगल, सम ऑफ ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल 360 और नंबर ऑफ साइड से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा? वन एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स. ओके, एंड वी नो दैट इंटीरियर प्लस एक्सटीरियर इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट देयर इज अ रिजल्ट. इफ ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन x डिग्री, देन नंबर ऑफ साइड, इफ ईच exterior angles x degree, the number of side equal to 360, sum of whole exterior divided by one exterior angle, and then that equal to number of n side. Okay, that equal to number of side n. Now we discuss about exercise. Then question number first, exercise 14a, question number first. First is the sum of The interior angle of a polygon is 4 times the sum of its exterior angles. Find the number of sides in the polygon. In this question we find the number of sides. So first we let a number of sides. Let a number of sides equal to n. Number of side n, then n exterior angle and n interior angle. Sum of the interior angle of a polygon. Okay, sum of interior angle. If there is n side, then sum of all interior angles equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Okay, is 4 times the sum of its exterior angle. Sum of its exterior angle that equal to 360. सभी exterior angle का sum क्या होता है 360. Then according to condition, sum of interior equal to 4 times the sum of exterior. That means according to statement 2n minus 4 into 90 equal to 4 times into 360. Okay, sum of its exterior, that is 4 into 360. And now we solve this. 2n minus 4 equal to 4 into 360 divided by 90. Then 2n minus 4 equal to 16 and 2n equal to 20 and n equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. And what is then number of sides? Then number of side equal to 10. Number of sides equal to 10. Okay, total 10 sides. Next is question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, one angle of 6-sided polygon. If 6-sided polygon, then number of side is 6. Let n be number of sides, then n equal to 6. One angle of 6-sided polygon is 140 and the other angles are equal. One angle equal to 140, other are equal. Find the measure of each equal angles. Okay, each equal, there is equal angles. So if n side there is total 6 side, then 6 angle and one angle is given, then remaining 5 angles. So and all 5 angles are equal, so we find one equal angles. Okay, and sum of all 6 angle equal to sum of all 6 angle equal to 2 into n. N is 6 minus 4 into 90. That is 6 to 12, 12 minus 4, 8, 8 into 90, 720. अगर हमारी 6 साइड की कोई फिगर है तो सभी एंगल का सम कैसा है 720. वन एंगल 140, देन remaining 5 angles equal to 720 minus 140. 0 minus 0, 0, 12 minus 4, 8, then 6 minus 1, 6, that is 5. 5, it is the sum of all 5 angles and all 5 angles are equal. So one equal angle equal to sum of 5 angle divided by 1 angle. Sorry, 5, that is so one equal angle 5 1, 5 1, 5 again 5 1, then 3 5 and 6. One equal angle equal to 116. Then each angle equal angle is equal to 116. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4. In a polygon, there are 5 right angles and the remaining angles are equal to 195. Find the number of sides in the polygon. We find the number of sides. Let number of sides equal to n. Okay, n side, then n angle. And there are 5 right angles. One right angle 90 degree, then 5 right angles. Sum of all 5 right angles equal to 5 multiply 9, 450. 450 is the sum of 5 right angles and the remaining angles are equal to 195 each. और जो बचे हुए एंगल है हर एक कैसा है 195 का. टोटल n एंगल, 5 right angle, then remaining angles equal to n minus 5. और एक एंगल 195 का, then sum of remaining angles equal to 1 remaining angle n minus 5 और 1 remaining angle 195. So n minus 5 into 195. Okay, and we know that sum of all n angles equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Okay, and this equal to sum of this and this, that means 450 plus n minus 5 into 195. अगर हम 5 राइट एंगल्स और इन एंगल्स को ऐड करेंगे तो सभी एंगल्स का सम बनेगा और उसका रिजल्ट हमारे पास ये है. देन वी सोल्व दिस है 9 to 180n minus 94360 450 plus 195n minus 5 5 is 25 to 45 and 247, then 4 5 1 ja 5 and 4 9. Okay, we take n one side 195n minus 180n and minus 360 minus 450 and plus 975, and this equal to 15n. Now we sum of this minus 360 and 450, 360 and 450 minus 810 plus 975. So 975 minus 810, that is 5 7 minus 1 6 165. We take this 165. N equal to 165 by 15 15 1 15 1. N equal to 11. So number of side equal to 11. There are total 11 sides. Okay. Next is question number 7. In a pentagon ABCDE, AB is parallel to DC and A ratio E ratio D equal to 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. Find angle E. So we take a roughly figure pentagon. Let AB, we make a pentagon 4 1 2 3 4 and let we take of this type 5. Okay, we have a pentagon 1 2 3 4 5 sided A B C D and E. Okay, we take this type. This is a roughly figure. AB is parallel to DC. AB and DC both are parallel and angle A ratio E ratio D 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. Let angle A equal to 3x, angle E, this is 3x, angle E equal to 4x and angle D equal to 5x. This is 4x and this is 5x. Okay, and we know that if two sides are parallel and this is transversal, then sum of these corresponding interior angle equal to 180 degree. Same as it is if AB and CD both are parallel and this is transversal, then sum of this and this angle equal to 180. So sum of B plus C equal to 180 degree. We know that sum of B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. If there is a pentagon, total n equal to 5 means 5 side, then sum of 5 side 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90. This is the sum of 5 angles. And this equal to sum of 5 angles A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay. Then 5 to 10, 10 minus 4, 6 and 6 9 ja 54. Okay. 540 is the sum of 5 angles. This equal to A in place of A 3x. In place of B, B and C. In place of B and C, sum of B plus C, that is 180 degree. Plus angle D 4x and plus angle E 5x. 540 equal to 3 4 7. 7 and 5 12x plus 180. We take 180 on left side. Then 12x equal to 540 minus 180. 12x equal to 0. 14 minus 8 6. Then 4 minus 1 and 3. X equal to 360 by 12. 12 1. X equal to 30. Value of x equal to 30. We find angle E, and angle E equal to 4x, that is 4 into 30, that is 120. Angle of E equal to 120 degree. Next question. Question number 9. The ratio between an exterior angle and an interior angle of the regular polygon is 2:3. Find the number of sides in the polygon. Let number of sides equal to n, and ratio between exterior and interior angle, let exterior angle 2x and interior angle equal to 3x. This is the ratio. Then we take complete angles by taking some constant multiply, and we know that sum of exterior plus interior equal to 180. One exterior angle plus one interior angle equal to 180 degree. Then 2x plus 3x equal to 180. 5x equal to 180 and x equal to 180 by 5. The x equal to 36. Okay, and then exterior angle equal to 2 into 36, 72, and interior angle 3 into 36, 18, 6 3 ja 18, then 108. One exterior angle 72, one interior angle 108. We find the number of side. Okay, number of side, and one exterior angle 72, number of side n, then sum of all exterior angle, sum of all exterior angles equal to 360. Then number of side equal to sum of all exterior divided by one exterior, that is 72. Then 2, and this is 5. Number of sides equal to 5. Then this is 5-sided polygon, means a pentagon. Okay, and next question number 10. The difference between an exterior angle of n-1 sided regular polygon and an exterior angle of n+2 sided regular polygon is 6. Find the value of n. There is a difference. किस का difference है? Exterior angle जिसके n-1 sided है. n-1, these are the n-1 sided polygon. Okay, polygon, and we find one exterior angle. This is a n-1 sided polygon. We find one exterior angle. Sum of all exterior equal to 360, and one exterior equal to 360 by number of side n-1. Okay, next is and exterior angle of n+1 sided. If n+2 sides then sum of all exterior, सारे एक्सटीरियर का सम 360. देन वन एक्सटीरियर, जब जिसके n+2 साइड है उसका वन एक्सटीरियर कैसे निकलेगा? 360 बाई n+2. बट देर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस इक्वल टू 6. दैट मीन्स 360 बाई n-1 माइनस 360 बाई n+2 इक्वल टू 6. बच्चे 6 इज पॉजिटिव, सो दिस इज ग्रेटर एंड दिस इज लेस. नीचे जितना छोटा होगा वो उतना ही बड़ा होगा. ओके, नाउ वी टेक एलसीएम n-1 एंड n+2. देन 360 मल्टीप्लाई विद n+2 माइनस 360 मल्टीप्लाई विद n-1 इक्वल टू 6. नाउ वी टेक 360 कॉमन. Then n+2 minus n and minus +1 equal to 6 into n-1 and n-2. Okay, next is n to n cancel, then 2 and 1 and 3, then 3 into 36. If we take multiply 36 with 3, 108 equal to 6 into multiply of this n square minus n minus 2n and plus 2. That is, we take 6 on this side, then n square minus 3n and plus 2. Okay, 6 1 6 1 then 4 18. n square minus 3n plus 2 minus 18 equal to 0. That is n square minus 3n minus 18, that is 16 equal to 0. Okay, we take a factor, prime factor of 16. Okay, so student, there is n plus 2. There is n plus 2. Okay, we take n plus 2, then minus n plus 2n, and there is minus 2. Okay, n square minus n plus 2n, then plus 1n and minus 2. Okay, then n square, then plus n minus 2 equal to 18. Okay, there is n square plus n minus 2 minus 18, 20 equal to 0. 5 and 4, n square plus 5n minus 4n minus 20 equal to 0. n common, n plus 5 minus 4 common, n plus 5 equal to 0. n plus 5 and n minus 4 equal to 0. n equal to minus 5, n equal to 4. We don't take this because sides are known as negative. So number of side equal to 4. Then that value of n equal to 4. We find the value of n, then value of n equal to 4. Okay, so with the help of this video, you complete your exercise.